Ripples. It all starts with a ripple. If we start in kindergarten and teach friendship, inclusion, and that everybody matters, maybe, just maybe, we can stop bullying. Every child needs to have people who believe in them. Children who are taught to their strengths and supported in their challenges succeed as individuals with purpose. We just need to believe in all our children, and no one is left behind. We share Mac's story in hopes that it opens hearts and minds of children, families, schools, and their communities to reach out to those often hidden in the shadows. These individuals bring such knowledge to our world, and they make us better people. We are grateful to Mac and his sister Becca, who came as tiny teachers. Love, Mom. What's the name of the book, Mac?
That's right. There we go. Up, 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 up. Jumping, 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 jumping. Jumping, good stuff. All right, dancing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Do, 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 do.
Thank you to Furry and Snack, the two little penguins that could, and especially to Mrs. Chambers for opening the door of inclusion and helping Mac feel safe and supported. A special thank you to Mac's kindergarten friends and their penguins. We appreciate the parents who supported their children in giving Mac the gift of friendship. Thank you to the little school that could and the little town that would for the real gift of acceptance. Meep, meep. Today, if you look carefully in a backpack of a first grader in the little school that could, you may just find a penguin or two peeking out. The end.